Hey guys and dolls, I know that this is a lot of Chris coming at you, but I wanted to show you the eye look that I created with the palette that we are going to review today. It is the NARS Skin Deep palette. It retails for $59. So if you are interested in this, just hang on tight. I'm going to zoom you out and we'll go over it. And we're back. This is so much better. Welcome back to the makeup community. If you are new here, my name's Chris. You're going to notice in my voice and in my hands that I have tremors, and that is called Parkinson's syndrome. It is defined as genetic early onset Parkinson's, which is one reason why I started this channel. Another reason why I started the channel was to actually physically share things that I liked, new releases, things like that. So you still have time to put in for the latest giveaway. There's a short, super short, but sweet video on my channel. I just posted it on Sunday and lets you know how to enter. So good luck to anybody who enters. Today we are going to go through the new NARS Skin Deep eyeshadow palette. It has got 12 neutral shades. Very pretty. It retails for $59 wherever NARS is sold. I got my palette from Sephora, and so far I really like it. Now today's video is going to be on the Twofer Tuesday because it's going to be pretty short since I already did my eye look with it. First of all, let's see what Sephora has to say about it. Expose yourself to the ultimate palette of nude shadows. Go from subtle to smoky with rich mattes, lustrous shimmers, and smoldering metallic shadows. NARS's pigment powder suspension technology delivers incredible payoff via pigments suspended in an innovative liquid binding system to create rich, long-wearing, high-impact color in one stroke. Each shadow can be used in a multitude of ways, oh my gosh, for a variety of Francois NARS's signature looks. Eyes and brows get shaded and lined, highlighted and defined because natural is anything but neutral. Okay, so here are the shadows again. This top row is all mattes, and there are two more mattes in the bottom row on either end here. Very pretty. Using them, they blended extremely well. You know, really pigmented, but not, you know, so pigmented that you couldn't make them work for you. You know how it is. Sometimes they're just so pigmented that they just, you know, cling on there. But even the darkest ones blended out really well. I did have some kick up in the pan, but not too much fallout on the cheeks. So let's get to swatching. I am going to start with the top row here. So we are going to go into Taunt, Sophia. Can't see that, sorry, Whipped, and Undressed. So here is Taunt, Sophia, Whipped, and Undressed. These are all mattes on that top row, the large ones. Get out my cloths here for my fingers. And now we're going to go into the second row. The first and fourth in the second row are matte shades. So with this, we are going to go into Bali, Icon, Basic Instinct, and Coconut Grove. So here is Bali, Icon, Basic Instinct, and Coconut Grove. And the first and fourth one on the second row are matte. There are no mattes in the last row. So we're going to go in the last row here. And for the last row, we have Centerfold, Calendar Girl, Faster Pussycat, and Unbuttoned. Unbuttoned might be a matte too. Okay, let's see. Where was I? Okay. Centerfold, Calendar Girl, Faster Pussycat, and Unbuttoned. Unbuttoned does look like a matte. It didn't look like a matte in there, so I apologize for that. Here we go. That is all the colors there. They all swatch beautifully, and they all applied really nicely. I only didn't use a couple of them, but the ones that I did use, which was the majority of the palette, they all worked very well. So if you do have it in your budget, I think that you would get a lot of use out of this eyeshadow set, because there are a lot of days where you just want a, neutral, natural look. All right, guys, so that's it. Like I said, there's still plenty of time to put in for this month's giveaway, so go ahead, find that video, and that'll tell you how to enter. And so that'll be it for this Twofer Tuesday for the NARS Skin Deep palette. All right, guys, I will talk to you down in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.